We have been absolutely overwhelmed by the support that we've had when we've suggested that we were going to do this window. Everybody is so enthusiastic about it. This church has always been the official RAF church for RAF Scampton, and we're very proud of that.
My name is Wing Commander Neil Atkins, and I have the distinct honour and privilege to be the Station Commander here at Royal Air Force Scampton. I'm actually speaking from the very office that Wing Commander Guy Gibson occupied when he formed 617 Squadron, the world famous Dambusters, here at Scampton. I'm really pleased as a station to support the project, and I do wish the church good luck in raising the necessary funds so that we can see that wonderful project come to fruition by the 80th anniversary next year.
I'm Maggie Appleton, the Chief Executive of the Royal Air Force Museum. It's our passion and privilege to share the whole RAF story, and the history of 617 Squadron is a really important chapter of that. The church in Scampton Village breathes RAF history, and we at the museum are hugely supportive of the plan to install a new window commemorating the formation of 617 Squadron.
Hello, I'm Wing Commander David Montenegro, Officer Commanding of the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team. I'm standing in the Red Arrows hangar here at RAF Scampton. All of us serving in the team are mindful of the base's rich heritage and the important roles played by personnel stationed here over the years. Of course, amongst the most renowned are those of 617 Squadron. Indeed, each time the Red Arrows take off and taxi past their hangar here at RAF Scampton, we're reminded of that squadron that operated here in 1943.
It means that the younger ones have got something to remind them of the significance of Scampton during World War II.
Can you tell us who your crew were, Johnny?
The boss man, Joe McCarthy, our skipper. There's him, the navigator, right? And back. Note the angle of the hat on the head, Batson, mid-upper gunner and front gunner of the dam's range. That's Bill Radcliffe, the flight engineer, and this is Len Eaton, the daddy of the crew, in fact the oldest member of the squadron, 37, and then Joe Soap over at the other end.
Hello, I'm Wing Commander Andrew Walters, Chairman of the 617 Squadron Association, which is a charity representing past and present members of number 617 Squadron. RAF Scampton is very important to us. It's where our squadron formed and where all our early raids were conducted from. We're very supportive of Scampton Church's campaign to fund a stained glass window to commemorate the 80th anniversary of the squadron, and very much hope that you will contribute to the campaign.
We are honoured to support the fundraising for the window and hope the campaign is a success to help remember that incredible Dambusters story.
So the fact that you're watching this video means you've navigated your way to the Scampton Church crowdfunding page. So if you can find it in your heart to reach in your pocket, give pennies or pounds or whatever you can afford to make this magnificent project come alive, then please dig deep and we'll all be eternally grateful.